10-day Turbo Slim program. And in the process, I met an amazing young woman who lost a lot of weight, lost a lot of inches, but there was a lot more to her story that I didn't realize until just recently.
So Shailene, I was pregnant last year. I had a miscarriage in December of last year. It was devastating news. But to find out that my body had something wrong with it and that the baby was lost due to the failure of my body was something I just couldn't handle. I have always been able to make my body do whatever my mind wanted it to do. So it felt as if my body just failed me. We so wanted to have another child. I gained 20 pounds immediately following the pregnancy. After about 6 months and no reason for all the pain and no new pregnancy, my doctor finally agreed to some exploratory surgery to check for any possible endometriosis. So Michael and I agreed that getting in the best possible physical condition was the best thing we could do for ourselves and for our chances of having another baby and dealing with whatever our future had in store. That was the same time that we kicked off our Turbo Slim. I started doing Turbo Slim and Michael quickly followed suit. Bam! 3 months later, we're pregnant. I truly believe the positive changes we made in our lives contributed to our success. I feel totally optimistic about being pregnant and so excited that I'm 16 inches smaller, leaner than before,